Editing PDFs used to be one of the most frustrating things I had to do. Every time I needed to sign a document or edit a PDF, I'd end up on some random PDF editor online. And most of the time, the features I actually needed just weren't there. It was such a waste of time. But then I found this tool called ZenDocs, and it has literally every essential PDF editing feature you'd need. And it's not just editing, you can do a lot more with it. So today I'm doing a quick review of the ZenDocs platform. Let's get into it. This is the website ZenDocs.com. The moment you land here, you can start editing your PDF right away. You don't have to install anything or even need to create an account first. Before we get into editing, let's talk about some other cool features. Here you can convert your PDF to Word, Excel, PPT, PNG and more. And it works the other way too, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, all of that. So let's say I want to convert one of my PDFs to Word. Let's upload it from here. Once done, the editor page opens. From here, I select the format I want, in this case Word. Give the file a name and click continue. Then I just enter my email address and I can download the file instantly. That's it. There are also some AI features on the platform like an AI humanizer and PDF translation. There's a lot to explore here. Now let's get to the main part, editing a PDF. Let me upload a PDF file here. Okay, now it opened the editor dashboard. First of all, I really like this UI. It only has the essential features, nothing complicated, and it's super easy to use. The first feature is page layout. I can rearrange pages, duplicate them, rotate them, or delete any page I don't need. Next, you can add text anywhere in the document. Let's add my name, Rajiv. You can also edit existing text directly from here without changing the font or structure. There's also a sign option. If you need to sign a document, you can draw your signature or upload an image of your signature from your file manager or type it out and select a suitable font, then place it wherever you want. You can adjust the size and position. It's as easy as using an image editor. There's a draw tool, then a highlight tool to mark any part of the document. Another option to add images anywhere in the file. Then text highlighter option. And we have a comment feature so you can add notes. Then features such as check marks or cross marks to verify information. You also get shapes, arrows, rectangles and more. And under more tools, there is a stamp option, then links. So you can add a clickable link inside the PDF and an eraser to remove anything you've added by mistake. Once you've made all your edits, you can download the file in whichever format you need, PDF, PPT or anything else. Just enter your email and download your finished, ready to use PDF. There's also a form section with ready-made templates, W4, W9 and more. For example, the W9 is an official US tax form. Just click Get Form, fill in your details and download it directly. On top of that, there are ready-made templates for things like a motor vehicle bill or a recommendation letter and quite a few more. You just pick a template, fill it in, preview it and download your PDF instantly. Now let's talk pricing. There's a $1 trial plan that gets you 7 days of full access. So if you just need to edit one file occasionally, you can grab the trial, download what you need and cancel anytime. But if you work with PDFs regularly, editing, signing, converting, this tool will genuinely save you a lot of time. So after the trial, the plan starts at $29 a month. So as a conclusion, this is one of the best PDF editors out there. Minimal UI, very easy to use and fast. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description. You can use it on your mobile or PC. It's just a web tool, so you can open it in your browser and get things done in seconds. I hope you found this video useful. Go check it out and let me know how it saves your time. See you in the next one.